electric Ford Focus. And after you start, it's coming message like this is okay. Oh, this one, service tire mobility kit. Okay, it means you must change in compressor this liquid with, I think, with some glue. And after you get changed it, you must reset it. To reset it, you must use those buttons. You push OK, go back, go down to settings, OK, go to vehicle, OK, tire mobility kit, OK, and you can choose, for example, for 1 year. I choose 1 year. And nothing happens. But, okay, let's choose 2 year. And go back, go back, go back, go back. And see, is it works or not? Turn off ignition. Start car again. Okay, this one is normal. Ready to drive, and tire mobility kit message disappear. So it's very good. And just leave on here. Okay, Ford. It's like this to reset it.